Good day, sir. I am Jasmine Amparado. Training activity matrix. The training activity matrix for food and beverage services in situ serve as a guide in meeting the training needs of the trainees. It contains the list of activities, materials, venue, a schedule, and remarks that are necessary to achieve the required competencies. So the activities include the basic, common, and core skills such as practicing occupational health and safety performing computer operation, providing customer service, preparing the dining area, welcoming guests, promoting products, and handling guest concern. These are the essential tasks that reflects the actual work in the food and beverage industry. So the required tools and equipment include dining areas, table, chairs, cutlery, glassware, linings, bar tools, and kitchen facilities. All activities are conducted at the Food and Beverage Services Laboratory to provide a real-work simulation. The training is scheduled as on September 20, 2025 at 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. and the trainees are marked as finished once they successfully complete each task. So, the training activity matrix organizes the training process by connecting the required competency with the right activity, resources, and schedule, ensuring the trainees are well prepared and actual industry practice.